Welcome to MyProjectBazaar. Let's we go to demo of system. The project title is an access control model for online social networks using user-to-user relationships. Abstract of this project is user-to-user relationship based access control has become the most prevalent approach for modeling access control in online social networks. OSNS. The OSNS called as online social networks, where authentication is typically made by tracking the existence of a user-to-user relationship of particular type and a depth between the accessing user and the resource owner. In this paper, we propose a novel user-to-user relationship based access control that is called as UURAC model, allowing users the ability to express more sophisticated and fine-grained access control policies in terms of type, pattern and depth of relationship among users in the network. In OSN system, if multiple users are allowed to specify their own policies on a same project or a user, policies conflicts become inevitable. The flow of this project is, first we have to enter the system, then access control policy will sign here. So here two type of policies is specified, user specified policies and system specified policies. System specified policies follows as a policy for resource and policy for users. Then the user, in parallelly we focus on other side user specified policy. The user specific policies follow the two type of policies, policy for resource and policy for user. This is for user specific policy. The policy for resources following the incoming actions, target resource policy. In parallel, on another side, in a user specified policy, follow the outgoing actions, accessing user policy, and incoming actions, targeted user policy. So these policies are following the user specific policy. Next we go to the flow of diagram, demo of this project. This is the first page of this project. After open this process, we click the icon button. The user in the OS network window will be open. In this window, first we click the users button. So when we click the users button, the user's detail and ID and name also will be visible here. These are the users of this OS network. Next we click the context. How many files are keeping their OSN server. That files are will be visible. Just name only we can view here. First we click the particular file. If you want to know about who's this files, which users and what the content this file, we click the view detail. So when click the view detail, the file name and the packet size and number of lines will be displayed. If you want to view the content means we click the content button. From OSN server, form the OSN network. After complete this process, we click the form OSN network button. So we have successfully joined. The pop-up message will be pop up here. File transfer. So file transfer in the online or social network, we select the files original txt. So front network edges and loaded successfully in the database. So networks will be loaded in the database. So this is a source and destination. These are the list of nodes in OSN network. Next we click this button and another window or another frame and another process window will be open. Here the relationship path information. Relationship path formation means destination source to destination path will directed here. These are the path will be available in our OS network. So we choose the source node and destination node, and click the next button, path discovery. So in this path we have select source to destination. Source we select 3, destination will be select 4. So 3 to 4, what are the possibles are available in this? So that possible path will be open here. These are the hop count, I mean number of possibilities path in our network, source to destinations. So now here the source for, so load in the database, click the source, then paths, I mean the source is source node, already we know about source node is a 3. So 3 possibilities path will be displayed here, 3 to 4. Next we enter the searching node in between, I mean the relationship node, when which node the node traveling path will be given here. So after this searching the path possibilities paths, so node existing, I mean that particular searching node, if it existing means that node message will be display here. I mean node, if the node is exist means the node exists in the given directory. Suppose the selected directory not existing in that root means node not exists in given directory. So if you want to searching any node in our path, we searching in this button. Next, search is the given node from root node in a directory. So next, root node, which is the root node. So group 3 is a group of third groups. So BFS is searching very I mean from source to depth search. Breadth first search will be process here and find the root node also into the and go to search in depth level, root level to search in this node to second node, I mean the node number 2. So the given node is, if it is existing means that will be inform the message to the message. Next we go to next process. So applicable, you click the applicable paths button and here redirect the, here display the possibilities path from source to destination. So relationship information is also formatted. Then friends group, these are the friends group, group 1, group 2, group 3. The next one, user ID, here the IDs must given very proper. We check these informations. In server, so we give the user ID and username very proper. Select the age limit also. If you want to get the key means key has verified here. Check and group on authentication. So authentication has verified authorized users be displayed here. So next we check the users group. Sending request here. Next we click the access.java. This is for access the files in multiple users, I mean different users. So we should give our ID and username, password also. Then we select the groups. If the users in this group means our request will be valid, the request is granted. Group and details also will be visible here. So the file received from sending to, source to destinations. If the users does not in the group means so if the users is has given a wrong ID means the access the request will be denied here. So in this way we have to transfer our data, access the controls between in secure scheme using the online social network using to user relationship. Thank you.